VLCN stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Overall, looking at this thing, like, I'm the only person in this space that has done 43,000 videos and documented everything. But I was saying about the overall performance with VLCN, this thing is not good that much, you know, like, my previous idea was a very bearish prediction and it delivered. Now, of course, you might think I'm lying to you or whatever, but it's not the case, you know, it's 21 hours ago. All I wanted to see is just like a double break so I can take it lower, and guess what happened? Well, it gave me the exact prediction, you know what I mean? And this was made 21 hours ago yesterday. I'm here to tell you that the likelihood this thing just gonna keep smelting is high. I'll just not randomly sell though, you know, still rules must be met, and if there's not a double break, then I'm not gonna be selling yet again. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.